I'm Mrs. McKee, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our building here. So I am standing at the corner of Blue and Gold Boulevard, and there's names up here on the side wall here. So I'm at Blue and Gold Boulevard along with Bobcat Way. Now you'll come in the morning right here by Guidance, which will be to my left. And then on down the hall will also be the cafeteria. To my right is the library, the media center, and directly in front of me is our world languages classes. All right, I just wanted to point out to everyone that every teacher has a sign with their name in front of their door with also what they teach or what department they're in. So also not only look for the road signs, the hallway signs, but also look for teachers' names as well. All right, I have walked forward and past the world languages classrooms, and now I'm at the intersection of Bobcat Way and Ramcat Boulevard. I was thinking downtown. Okay, so to my right are your language classes, your language English classes. To your left, we have yearbook, we have art, we have industrial technology, and if you pass on through that, you will have your social studies class. All right, I had mentioned that industrial technology is right here, down on this end of the hall. Right next door, right prior to Coach Pate's class, we have the ag class. If you're taking an ag class, there may be an opportunity for you to work in the ag workshop, or you may also need to go to the greenhouse. Now you'll get to both of those through the agricultural classroom, so that way it's kind of monitored of who's out here and who's not. Okay, I've continued forward on Bobcat Way, and now I'm at the hallway for our JROTC, which is Newry Lane. Also, continuing down this hallway, you'll have your gym on the left. All the way at the end of the hall, you'll have band and chorus. And then on the right, you will have the auditorium. All right, I want to point out our two different gyms that we have. We have the blue gym. This is where also the PE classes meet. So you have Mr. Crow and Ms. Stewart in there. Over here to my right is the gold gym, and so we use both of those for athletic events. To my front right is the auditorium, and again, it will have a nameplate above it, so if you're looking for it, but it's still in the same hall as the gyms. At the very end of this hall, we have the chorus room and our band room. And in the band room is also where your orchestra meets as well. I'm currently standing in front of the front office and also the attendance office. The attendance office is where you'll bring notes if you've been absent or if you need to leave early. When you come in the morning, you'll be coming through the courtyard here on my right, go straight through and go to the courtyard on my left. This is going toward the cafeteria. Okay, I'm standing in front of the cafeteria, so this is obviously where you'll have breakfast and lunch. And to my left, we have a few science classrooms down this hallway at the very end, but we have most of our science upstairs, which we will go next. Hi, now I've come up the stairs by the cafeteria in the front office there. So when you come up these stairs, straight behind me, you'll have special services, and you also have math classes. To my left, you will have your business classes, your computer classes are down this hallway. Now we're still upstairs, but I'm at the opposite corner of where I was just previously. So I'm at the corner of Ravenel and Genelette, and down to my right, you have math classes, except right here on the end, you've got 2 science classes, and all the way down this hallway, you have your science classes. Also, just a FYI, this stairwell that I'm beside will be the stairwell coming upstairs. We have 2 opposite here, both of those will be down stairwells.